Hello everyone. So if you want to take micro photos with your iPhone 12 Pro, let's open up our camera application. And first of all, keep in mind that iPhone 12 Pro has three lenses: standard, ultra-wide, and telephoto. Unlike iPhone 13, iPhone 12 doesn't have a dedicated macro mode. However, if you want to take something close to macro mode, right, you could choose between 1 and 2 and 5 lenses. This will emulate our macro mode, and basically that's the closest that you can get, right? So move closer to object, experiment with manual focus, experiment with your white balance and your exposure settings, and sometimes they can help. Also, you can use third-party application that combines images from different lenses to simulate a macro mode. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.